What's good? It's your boy Migo the Entrepreneur. I'm back with another one. As usual, y'all already know, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Tap in, join the family. When I drop, you'll get notified. Gonna come to your phone like a text message. You can't miss the notifications. Listen, got a driveway.
Right onto Ridgetop Trail.
I gave her an estimate for a driveway, but I ain't really sure if she wanted it, but I know she want a house wash. I think she want the drive.
Your destination will be on the left.
I think she want the driveway clean too. 4225. I think she want the driveway clean too. So I'm about to pull up right now, check everything out. I'm gonna flip the camera off the rip, show y'all what we working with, all right? Let's get it. We're gonna do from right here on up, concrete, wash the house. They getting ready to paint, so we gonna clean it up. Moss. It's moss. We gonna clean it up. Get this house washed. Clean up that slab back though. Remove that moss, thick moss too. Get up. We're about to clean this up, get it ready for painting. We're not doing the driveway today, but soon. We're about to let the garage doors down. We'll see those in a minute, but let me get started. I'm already set up. Guess I gotta pull more hose. I'm about to upgrade everything, y'all, but I'm still gonna have this truck. Just like this. Finna get a new truck, new equipment, bigger pressure washer, everything. New stack hose reels, everything. Get this ready. Big moss. Alright, y'all, since the deck over there on that side, I'm gonna start washing on this side. Work my way around. I'm finna just give it a good rinse. Just in case the surface too hot, I'll cool it down with my water. You don't want to spray that SH on the house and the surface is hot. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm about to spray out, get everything rinsed down real good. I'm gonna work my way from right here to that side, and then I'm gonna do the back, you know, when I get there. But I'm finna do all of this right now. They want us to go ahead and strip this as much as possible wherever I could do it at on the house. So I'm gonna go on and get all this touched up around here. All of this finna be getting touched. All of it.
Make sure we get this wall. I'm about to get this wall right now.
They did want the driveway done, y'all, so I had to start on this driveway. I like to do my concrete first, so I'm gonna go on and do all that is like I was gonna do. Try to get my prep work done real quick. You know, it's gonna get ugly before it get pretty. I'm gonna get all this dirt. It was piled up, look. Look how thick it is. Get that out of the way. Now this driveway got a hill on it, so it's gonna puddle right there. It's gonna puddle right there. Let me get this stuff cleaned up, y'all. I'm gonna be back in a little bit. Yeah, I meant to tell y'all. I meant to get some footage of these curbs. So we got to do these too. We got to do the curves too. So I'm gonna pull this down. I mean over here so the water can get a good flow on it. We're gonna clean these curves up. His yard stop light. About right here, so we gonna right here on down to right there. In the driveway, all of that. And the house wash too. We're gonna wash this house too. Can't forget about that. I started washing the house already. I told y'all that where it gonna pool at. It's gonna pool right there, but I got my sludge sucker on. I got my sludge sucker though, so I ain't worried about that. But I already done washed the house from over there to right here. I just gotta do the front walkway and all that. I started up there, I'm done up there. I gotta do from right here on down. I just went on and did this because I know this might puddle. Give this thing a good rinse. Then I'm going to turbo nozzle a little bit. Then I'm going to rinse again. And then I'm going to post treat. I done did all that. I just got to rinse all of that. I'm about to rinse everything one time. Then I'm gonna rinse right quick right now. Get up what I done already did. And I'm gonna post street. And I'm gonna do that side and the back side. I'm gonna rinse all this down again. Got a little dirt on it. And get this side, the foundation tightened up. I done applied my chemical over there and back here. You can see that moss dead is down. I'm finna tighten that up. All of that, I'm finna strip it down, make it look like this. Watch this.
1 hour later.
once again, I'm already in the back, so I'm gonna start in the back. Quick wash. They're getting ready for painting. Touched all that up. Got it ready to be painted. That's clean. Clean. Got that foundation clean. Ready for painting. There was a request from the homeowner for me to do this, so I did it. It's clean. Foundation again, clean over here. You good? Clean. Let's go.